Hey, what's up people, this is your host Hack and welcome to my channel. So today guys, I am bringing you a brand new video. Yes, you are right, on iOS jailbreak. So for iOS, I'm doing the video for iOS for the first time, and I usually do videos for Android. So yeah, this is my first video on iOS. So let's do this. So today what I will be showing you is this is a how-to video, like how can you jailbreak A7 to A11 devices for now, which are on iOS 12, 12.1.1, 12.1.2. Yes, you heard it right. So a jailbreak for iOS 12.1.1, 12.1.2 and 12 is out, and of course it is done by the Unc0ver team. So yeah, let's do this. How you can do this I will show you, and every link which I show you in this video will be described in the description below. So you can just click on that and you can download the required files. So it is pretty easy to do that. So let's start the video, and this is how we can jailbreak it. So guys, first what you need to do is, I will straight away turn on to the process how you need to do it. So this is my iPhone 6s, it's a 64 GB variant. So what we will do is, first you need to go to the Safari. In Safari, what you need to do is, you need to type this link, ignition.fun. Yes, ignition.fun. I will keep the link in the description. You can click on that and you can see that. Go on ignition.fun, then choose install now app. So that would be an app installed on your phone, and it will look like this. This is the ignition app. You can see this is an ignition app. Yeah, so the ignition app would be looking like this. So it is pretty easy to do it, and it's a pretty straightforward application. So you need to go in this. Yeah, of course that would be a ad.
Chocolate and brownies, 320 calories.
Okay, cancel it. Go in the second tab. In second tab you can see all this options. In this you need to go to jailbreaks. In jailbreaks it will load all the applications. So and after that you need to go down to the last one, that is Unc0ver new beta. The jailbreak has been brought by Pond20WNT as Binger. They have done this thing. It's pretty good to the community. They are working very hard. So this is the new beta which is on. Check it out. It's a version 3.0.0 beta 34. What you need to do is, you just need to press the get button like this. Okay, it will show that ignition.fun would like to install Unc0ver new beta. You need to just install it. I will not install it because I've already installed it, so I will just cancel it. So the Unc0ver application would be installed on your iPhone. Now you can see the icon here, Unc0ver. By the way guys, your icon may not be like mine because I have applied a snowboard theme. So yeah, the icon would be different. It would be like in white Unc0ver UN0. Yeah, so I've already jailbreaked it, but I will show you what's the procedure. So first of all, you just don't need to do anything. What you need to do is, this is the button. So it would be showing like for me it is showing re-jailbreak. For you it would be showing just jailbreak. So just press on it. This process would be taking like 5 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes. And in this process your phone would be restarted 2 times. So when the first time the phone get the phone get reboot, what you need to do is just press the jailbreak button again after opening the Unc0ver app. The second time it will restart, again do the same thing, and in the last it will be respringed. Your phone will be respringed, and you will get this one, re-jailbreak. that means your phone, your iOS has been jailbreaked. So but before doing anything guys, just be aware, and again I am repeating this, that this jailbreak is only available for A7 to A11 devices, right? And this jailbreak can be done on 12.1.1, 12.1.2 and 12. Of course the jailbreak is also available for 11.4.1, of course. So if you are on the lower versions, you can do that, but mostly the people who would be using the iOS for now would be probably would be on 12. So yeah, this is a great jailbreak and it's pretty stable. The application is still in beta and there are many things to be done in the jailbreak, but yeah, it's pretty stable jailbreak. And of course you can apply the tweaks. So after the jailbreak is done, what you will be getting, you will be getting a Cydia. Yes, same old Cydia. Yeah, I was very happy about seeing that. So Saurik has made many changes in Cydia for the latest jailbreak. You will get the sources. In this I have added many sources. I will do a separate video for the tweaks and the sources, how you can add it. You can see I already installed many tweaks over here. So you will get the Cydia, same old Cydia. Cydia is pretty it's working pretty good, so it's amazing. And I will show you what. So this is one of the tweaks I have installed. Is a cylinder tweak. Let me show you the tweaks which I have installed. So these are the tweaks. You can see that you can see alkaline, cylinder, floating dock, Miller, Noctis 12, snowboard, and swipe for more, Zen HTML, Zeppelin. So yeah, I have installed all the tweaks guys. So guys, I guess this would be it. This would be it for this video. And again, all the links I would be describing in the description below. So if you like my video, if you think this was useful for you, just hit the subscribe button and do like my video guys. So thank you for now, and any questions you can post on the comment. I will try to answer you as much as I can. So thank you very much guys. I will be back again with a new video. Till then, take care and you stay safe guys. Thank you.
Let it go.